Hey, Marlon Marisha here from Web Design Profits, and this week I was speaking to a web designer who asked me a really good question. He said, Marlon, should I go and learn how to deliver websites properly because I'm kind of just starting the business? Should I figure out how to deliver these things really well and then go and get my clients? And I said, no, that is a terrible idea. What you need to do is you need to figure out how to get your clients first and get a client, win a client, and then figure out how to deliver the website. Now, if you take this approach, I expect you to over deliver when you do get the client. If you think you're going to deliver the website in 3 weeks, tell them 6, right? But it's better to be paid to learn how to deliver a website than to do it on your own dime, on your own money, and not get paid. Because there's nothing worse than working for free. There's nothing that will kill your business faster than when you work and you work and you invest and you invest and you see no return on that investment. And you just can't work for free. And so my recommendation is put that web design stuff aside if you want to start a web design business. It's actually not that hard to build a website. Technically, if you do it yourself or you outsource it, it's just not a massive problem that you need to solve right now. The number one problem you need to solve is figure out how to get a client. And if you can figure out how to get a client, then you're now getting paid to learn. And that is the best way to move forward. I've spoken to and listened to so many designers who never really launch because they spend most of their time on the technical side. And I've spoken about this a lot before, and I just see that so many people, they want everything to be perfect. They are perfectionists. They want to make sure they deliver an amazing product to their client. But the reality is they're never really going to launch the business. And so you need to figure out how to do something imperfectly, which will create perfection over time. You can't always try to do it the right way or the best way because you'll never achieve that goal. Every website that we build, there's always something we can do better. There's always something extra to learn. There's a new technology, a new plugin, a new theme. We're swapping out our themes all the time. We're replacing technologies we're using. We're ripping things out and replacing it. And if we always wanted to build the perfect website, we're never going to get there. So I want to encourage you, if you're just starting out, if you're a web designer and you want to launch a business, number one, I want to tell you it's an amazing industry. One of the best industries you could ever go into. Number two, sell your first project. Like, put all your effort into there. I was on a Facebook group today and something came up. And one of the things I said was, our job as a business owner, the number one job as a business owner is sales and marketing. It's not tech, it's sales and marketing. That is your job as a business owner. And if you can understand that, win your first project, you're going to have a very successful company. But if you can't do that and you want to get down into the technology side and hide in your office or hide in your shared workspace and not speak to anyone, it's the quickest way to kill your business. And so today, if you're a beginner, my advice to you is figure out lead gen, drop everything, drop the technical, figure it out. I know it's not fun. I know it's not exciting, but if you don't do it, you will never have a real business. And if you want to learn more, go to the Profitable Web Designer Facebook group where I do trainings like this every single day. And I'd love to see you in there, love to help you out. And the community would love to help you out. So go to Facebook, join the group. I look forward to speaking to you soon.